Today we will discuss some important numerical. The question is, two unit vectors I and j are passing along x-axis and y-axis respectively. What is the magnitude and direction of the vectors I plus j and I minus j? What are the components of vectors? Vector A equal to 2i plus 3j along the direction of I plus j and I minus j. अब अपने को कंपोनेंट फाइंड करना है किसका, जो वेक्टर है 2i plus 3j in which direction, along the direction of I plus j and thereafter along the direction of I minus j. So very first we have to evaluate here direction and magnitude of I plus j and I minus j. Let B be the given vector, B equal to I plus j. मतलब हम I plus j को किसी वेक्टर B से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. It means now vector B may be written as bxi plus byj, which will be equal to I cap plus j cap. Now mod of vector B will be under root bx square plus by square. Therefore it will be equal to 1 square plus 1 square, because unit vectors have magnitude unity, and therefore 1 square plus 1 square, it comes as b equal to mod b equal to under root 2. Direction, let this is the vector b, let it makes angle theta with x-axis. Now it is the direction of bx and it is the direction of by. Therefore we have to evaluate here angle. This A is the vector I, this B is the vector I plus j, and we are going to evaluate this angle theta with x-axis or direction of I plus j. चाहे एक्स एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग एंगल बताओ, चाहे इस वेक्टर I प्लस जे की डायरेक्शन. तो डायरेक्शन के लिए चाहे हम रेफरेंस एक्सिस x को कंसीडर करें, चाहे रेफरेंस एक्सिस y को, चाहे मतलब ये हुआ कि चाहे हम थीटा एक्स एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग मेजर करके इसको रिप्रेजेंट करें या एंगल y एक्सिस के अलॉन्ग मेजर करके इसको रिप्रेजेंट करें. तो वी आर गोइंग टू हियर इवैल्यूएट एंगल थीटा विद x एक्सिस. नाउ tan theta will be equal to perpendicular by base by bx, but by means magnitude of vector b along y axis, which is 1, and bx means magnitude of vector b along x axis, again it is 1. Now 1 by 1 equal to 1, that is tan theta equal to 1, and therefore theta equal to 45 degree. This is the first portion. Now let I minus j is represented by a vector c. Here we may write it in the form of vector c equal to cxi minus cyj equal to I minus j. Now magnitude of vector c will be equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square. Again it is similar in with previous case, where magnitude of I is 1 and magnitude of j is also 1, therefore it is equal to under root 2. Now mod or magnitude of vector c or magnitude of vector I minus j is equal to under root 2. If we represent it in graphical manner, then Let vector C is I minus j. This is I means positive x-axis and minus j means negative y-axis. Now C equal to I minus j. It is clear here? We are using here negative y-axis. Now here again we want to evaluate direction of C with respect to x-axis or direction of vector C in a plane. Then tan theta equal to again perpendicular by base cy by cx 1 by 1 equal to 1, theta equal to 45 degree. But here j is negative and therefore we will use theta as minus 45 degree. This minus tells only that angle is measured below the x-axis. The next portion of this question is, here we want to find the component of vector A in the direction of vector B. Component of A in the direction of B is understand in the manner we already learned about resolution of vector. Let this is vector A and this is vector B. Now we want to find the component of A in the direction of B. Here if it is theta, then it will be equal to A cos theta in the direction of B, and for the direction purpose we use unit vector, therefore it will be equal to vector unit vector B. This is the component of vector A in the direction of B, or in graphical manner this A cos theta is the component of A in which direction? In the direction of B, क्योंकि ये B के पैरेलल है तो ये उसके उस डायरेक्शन के अलावा कंपोनेंट है. इसी को हमने यहाँ थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है. तो द कंपोनेंट ऑफ ए इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ बी इज गिवन बाय ए कॉस थीटा इनटू यूनिट वेक्टर बी. Unit vector B means in the direction of B, and direction of B will be represented by the unit vector. Therefore, we used here B cap. Now, A cos theta and unit vector is written as, if we want to find the A cap, if we want to find the A cap, the vector A cap equal to, it will be equal to vector A upon mod A. If we want to find the A cap of vector A, then it will be equal to vector A upon mod A. Using the same formula here, we write here unit vector B in the form of vector B upon mod of vector B, and we multiply this equation by the magnitude in numerator and denominator. The value of equation remains unchanged. Now this A cos theta into mod B is written here as A B cos theta. Mod A and mod B is also written as A and B. So AB into cos theta. Here remaining term was vector B written outside the bracket, and mod B into mod B, mod B into mod B, mod B is square, and it is simply written as B square. Now A B cos theta is equal to dot product A dot B vector B. Dot product is the simple product, just as B multiplied x A plus B into x plus y. तो उसी तरह से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो वेक्टर A और वेक्टर B इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट एंड वेक्टर B डिवाइडेड बाय mod B. Now वेक्टर A 2i plus 3j dot I plus j अपॉन वेक्टर तो I plus j। टेक्स्ट कुछ कट रहे हैं, इसको हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, एंड 2i plus 3j डॉट I plus j वेक्टर b I plus j अपॉन mod b स्क्वायर मीन्स √2 होल स्क्वायर। mod b और mod a हमने ये इवेल्युएट किया था। mod b मतलब I plus j का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड किया है और I minus j का भी, तो ये √2 होल स्क्वायर। नाउ if we multiply it then we will get 2i dot I means self dot product I dot I और a dot a, तो I इंटू आई इसका मैग्नीट्यूड 1 होता है, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 इंटू 1 और cos थीटा होता है ये a डॉट b इक्वल टू ए बी cos थीटा। तो cos थीटा उस वेक्टर का उसी वेक्टर के साथ जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसके बीच का एंगल, दोनों वेक्टर एक ही हैं, तो मीन्स दे आर इक्वल वेक्टर्स एंड इक्वल वेक्टर्स हैव एंगल 0। तो ये हो जाएगा 2i डॉट i, तो i डॉट i मतलब 1 इंटू 1 2 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 इंटू cos 0 की वैल्यू 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 प्लस 3 2i j, तो i डॉट j इनके बीच का एंगल cos 90 0 हो जाएगा, एक x एक्सिस के लॉन्ग है एक y एक्सिस के लॉन्ग 0 हो गया, तो यहाँ 3 इंटू j डॉट j, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 2 प्लस 3 i प्लस j अपॉन 2, here it will be equal to 5 by 2 I plus j. This is the component of vector A in the direction of I plus j. In the same manner, we may write the component of A in the direction of I minus j. If we calculate the component of vector A in the direction of vector C, that is in the direction of I minus j, then it may be written as A dot C vector C upon C square, just as it was in the previous case. 2i plus 3j, here I minus j and this again I minus j. This is the upon c square means magnitude of vector c means magnitude of vector I minus j, which was equal to under √2 and therefore c square equal to √2 square. Now multiplying 2i plus 3j with I minus j, we find that 2 minus 3, it is I minus j, this is third term, and now square of √2 is equal to 2. Now 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1 divided by 2 I minus j. This is the desired answer.